You know, I'm 61 years old now, and my entire life, my entire 61 years, I have lived in old homes that need work. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, this is Matt from workanywhere.life. And you can see behind me the pool. We've got the yard, we've got the old barn, the treehouse, the 1800 home. Oh my God, so much work, so much work. I am next week going house shopping in the Dominican Republic. I'm going to move there at least for a year. We'll see what happens after that. I'm honestly considering getting a condo, right? What they call an apartment. Same darn thing up here. It's a condo, and I'm not quite sure what to do with new construction that doesn't need work because I have spent my whole life renovating homes. I don't know what to do without that. If I don't have a lawn to mow, if I don't have a pool to clean, if I don't have windows to fix and roofing that needs to be replaced and siding that needs to be done and woodwork that's rotting that needs to be replaced, I don't really even know what to do if I didn't have anything to do. Actually, I do. I mean, I have a lot of work to do, yes. But I'm going to enjoy, I think, not working on a house for a while because it seems like I've spent my entire life doing that. When my parents moved into this house, right, I bought the family farm. Been in the family for 82 years. I'm fourth generation in, not exactly generation to generation, you know, uncles, cousins, that sort of thing. But when my parents bought it in 1969, they gutted this house, right? Down to the studs, and then rebuilt the inside. Now, the outside stayed the same, but they rebuilt it. So that started when I was 5 years old. And then since then, we have, let me see if I can tell you what's been going on with this house here. Since then, when I bought it 23 years ago, we bought it. If you can see here, put on a new roof. I had to put on new siding. Had to replace windows. The porch was being ripped apart by a trumpet vine. I don't know if you can picture, like 6 inches around, that thing tearing the porch apart. So that had to be redone. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see that. There we go. Added 2 years ago, the solar panels, right? And then where you can see this is the great room that my parents added. Whoop, I get my finger in the right place. The great room my parents added. I connected the barn to the house. There used to be an opening there, and holy cow, in the winter, the snow, ice, and wind coming through between the house and the barn. Oh my God, that was insane, right? Then we adopted 3 more children. So we had to renovate the barn so we could find more living space, because at that time we had 6 children, right? Now they're all adults, you know, so we don't worry about that as much. So there's just always something to do. Now, I'll give you another hint here. See the pool house right behind me? Yep, I built that, right? I built the gazebo as well. That was a kit. Down behind me here. So, built the fire pit with my son Meyer. He and I dug that out. And then the tree house over here, that was a project for the kids when they were little. The three original kids and I built that tree house. So there was always something being done on this property. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do when I don't have any of that. Well, you know, maybe I'll just try to relax. All right, so we'll know more next week. Follow me next week as I go down to the Dominican and house shop, and you can help me choose what would be the right house, right? Or condo, apartment, whatever they want to call that down there. All right, so like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. I will see you on the next one very soon.